everyone, so I'm here at Shoes of Hollywood. I'm Catana, and today we've got something very special. I'm actually taking these home. I'm so excited. These are the XTREME-875TT, so let's unbox it. Hope you're excited as I am. So I'm sure you can see why these are called the Extremes. Black goes with absolutely anything, and you're gonna get eyes drawn on these neon pink bits here. They're stunning, they're gorgeous, I absolutely love these. And as well, they're extreme because these are 8 inches. 8 inches with a 4-inch platform. Alright, let's try them on. So they do have the ankle cuff here. It's a bit more of an elegant look. I do think they do look very cute with the buckles here. Alrighty, let's go for a little walk in these and see how they feel. So again, these are 8 inches, and I love 8 inches because I'm only little, and I feel like my legs go for days in these. Here's how they look from the side. I'm in love with these buckles here. And I love the neon pink. Absolutely love it. So these ones are a size 6. It's open toe. I'm a size 6 with open toe, but in the boots I am a size higher. And these are the Xtreme 758s. I love these. I'm actually taking these home today and I'm absolutely in love with them. So there we have it. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye!